हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ स्टोरी द थ्री आर्टिस्ट। 150 वर्ड्स के साथ ये स्टोरी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Once there lived three artists in a famous city. They all were skilled. They were so expert that it was difficult to decide who the best was. A competition was held to decide who the best was. The prize was also declared for the best. A judge was also appointed to decide the best artist. When the competition started, one of them painted a flower, the second painted a fruit, and the third one painted a picture of curtain. The picture of flower was so natural that a bee sat on it on collect honey. The fruit was also natural. The ox thought it to be the real fruit and tried to eat it. The judge praised all the pictures. The judge was then taken to the place where the curtain was. When he saw the curtain, he thought that it was the real one. He tried to remove it to enter the room. As he did so, he realized that it was not the real curtain. The judge decided that the third artist was the best. The flower deceived an insect, the fruit deceived an animal, but the curtain deceived a man. The judge, therefore, the third artist got the prize. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।